Today, I'm going to show you how to take a postcard design from Canva and put it into Mailbox Power to keep in touch with your sphere. If this is your first time to the channel, my name's Amanda. I've been in real estate over 15 years and I absolutely love helping new agents grow and scale their business. If that's something you're interested in, be sure to hit that subscribe button and tap that bell for notifications so that you'll be the first to know when I upload a new video each week. So today we're going to be jumping between Canva, a little bit of Etsy, and Mailbox Power. I've had questions from a few of you about how do you take a design from Canva for a postcard and put it into Mailbox Power to then send out, because Mailbox Power is a little lacking on the design side, which that's not a diss against them. That's not what their business is. But as agents, we need to be sending out high quality material. And to do that, it's very simple. I actually just did my fall maintenance mailer to all of my sphere. So I'm going to show you all exactly what I did, and we're going to jump into my computer to do that. Okay, so here we are. And if you're not into design, or you're like me and you're not good at design, I'm terrible at it. It is not a good use of my time. I head over to Etsy to find the design that I want to use. And I do make changes to it, but having something to work from saves so much time. So what I did for this mailer is hop over to Etsy. I really like the Printed Pebbles design. I have no affiliation with her whatsoever, but I will leave a link to her shop below. She has really nice designs for real estate. And I found this one that I really liked. So I reached out to her because this was for a 4x6 postcard and I wanted the jumbo size. So I just reached out and said, hey, any chance you could resize this for me? She's amazing. She responded, I don't even think it was an hour, resized it for me after I purchased it. And then that gave me my file to then come over here into Canva. And all you have to do is upload it to Canva. And then I made some changes because I wanted it to read a little bit differently. And I also changed the orientation in Canva because instead of it being vertical, I wanted it to be horizontal. Again, strictly personal preference. You don't even have to do all of that. But what I did is come in here, make some changes on what it said to be more specific for the Northern Virginia area. And then we come down here. This is the back side of the card that I customized to be for my contact information and then the message that I wanted to send my clients. I would say in Canva, this took me no more than 15 minutes. And I am by no means a Canva wizard or anything like that. It's just really easy to do. So once you finish getting your postcard or whatever it is that you're designing to be able to upload into Mailbox Power, you'll just download it out of Canva. And then we're going to jump over here into Mailbox Power. And you'll come over to, because you already have your design, you're going to come over to whatever it is that you're sending out. In my case, we're doing a jumbo postcard, and you're going to do design your own. So we're just going to say fall maintenance test. And then once this opens up, you'll be able to upload what you want to go out. And in my case, because I've already sent this out, I'm just going to go ahead and click so we're not wasting time putting it into Mailbox Power. So you come here, as you can see, I just clicked on it. All you would have to do is upload yours, and it's right here. And then same thing, you've got the back then. If I can get it over here. For some reason, that one didn't automatically size, which is not a big deal. Oh, now it did. Okay. And then all you did was drop the design in. So you had the design already made. All you're doing is uploading it to Mailbox Power. And then once you finish this, you can do add to the cart here. Move this down. You can add it to your cart. And then you'll be able to select the contacts that you want this card to go out to.
It really does not get any more seamless than this. And I'm going to remove this because I don't want it mixed with that home anniversary card that's in there. But at any rate, just a quick tutorial. It's so easy to upload to Mailbox Power a design that you already have. You certainly don't have to spend the money on a design with Etsy. If you're great at design, you can design your own. Or if you're like me, who I have zero design skills whatsoever, it would be a big waste of time. Spending a few dollars on Etsy to get a design that I can work from is just a better use of time. And then from there, you can just make your adjustments and upload it into Mailbox Power and get your mailer out.
So it really is that simple to send out a mailer that either someone has designed for you or you've designed in Canva. This is such a seamless process, so much easier than trying to design something in Mailbox Power. And remember, you can always do this in advance and then schedule your mailer for the time that it needs to go out. That's something that I use a lot. I'm not doing these the night before that I need them to go out. I will do this well in advance, so just be sure to plan ahead and schedule your order. If you got some value from today's video, be sure to drop me a comment below or give me a like. I would greatly appreciate it. And until next week, please take care.